What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Khaled. Okay, so I figured this is probably the best way to do it because everybody keeps calling me, texting me, which I don't mind, but this will just make it so much easier to find out what stocks to buy, when to sell, how do I find them. So this is just going to be a series to help you with like baby steps on how to figure things out for yourself. It's always great to get help. It's always good to look on YouTube. I know everybody's coming to YouTube to find out about stocks. Hell, I've done it. I've made a lot of money doing it. But you know what? I still form my own opinions on them, and at least you serious? So anyways, let's get into it. There's going to be a lot of things that I want to discuss. Most importantly, trend lines, support and resistance levels, gaps, volume, divergence, scanners. Like, these are all very important things, and a lot of the people that are on YouTube talking about stocks, they know about all these. So my goal is to get you guys familiarized with all of these things before actually starting to discuss different stocks and things to buy. All right, so let's get into it.